Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to play Xbox on your iPad. To play Xbox on your iPad, there are two main ways. First is Xbox Cloud Gaming, to stream games from your cloud to without Xbox console, and or remote play to stream games directly from your own Xbox control. So both method requires an Xbox control and an compatible iPad, and also a strong internet connection. So now what you have to do, guys, first of all you need a Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and that support or a supported iPad like iPad OS 14.4 later and good internet connection. Now just you need to pair your Xbox control to your iPad via Bluetooth. You can use your Bluetooth to connect your iPad to your Xbox. And now you have to, guys, open your browser, connect your Xbox to your, let me go. So now you have to, guys, search for this URL, xbox.com dot com with the com, and after this you have to press slash with the slash, and then you have to enter play. You have to type play. If you do this, if you enter this text in the Safari browser on your iPad, now you have to log in with your Microsoft account to link to your Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and you can just add the shortcut to your home screen, and then you can start playing, guys. So you have to log in over here and just can start playing, guys. So yeah, this is how you can play. So right now I don't have the Game Pass subscription, so I can't show you exactly, but yeah, this is the actual idea, guys. So correct more video till then, bye bye.